Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into a Microsoft account and opening Bing Webmaster Tools. This is required to control indexing. Once signed in, add your site as a property and verify ownership using DNS-TXT, an HTML meta tag, or an uploaded verification file. Pick the fastest method for you. Make sure your site uses HTTPS, your robots. TXT does not block the main pages, and you have an XML sitemap at a standard location, so Bing can discover your URLs quickly. Once verification is complete, submit your sitemap URL inside Sitemaps so Bing reads all listed pages. This speeds discovery. Then use the URL submission tool to push high-priority pages immediately. Submit canonical URLs only. Make sure structured data is implemented and validated so rich results may appear. Also configure crawl control if your server needs rate limits. Finally, check mobile friendliness and canonical tags to avoid duplicate content issues, because correct signals help Bing index the right pages. You finish by watching Bing Webmaster Reports, index coverage, crawl, and search performance. When you spot errors, fix them. Correct 4xx/5xx responses, remove accidental noindex tags, and ensure canonical URLs point correctly. After fixes, request reindexing for affected pages and monitor impressions and clicks. Changes often take a few days. If things still fail, check robots, TXT rules, and server logs. The key troubleshooting tip is to confirm BingBot can fetch pages without being blocked or rate limited.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.